Welcome to another video tutorial, and in this very video we'll be creating a letter portrait effect. And without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So welcome back, and before I start anything I have to create my workspace, and to do that click on create new. So I'll be choosing the landscape mode. This is my workspace, and let's get started. So the first thing I will do now is to write the text I'm using. So this is the text I'm using, and this is the font I'm using for this tutorial. So I'm going to choose the move tool and then press Ctrl T to scale. Choose the text layer and then right click on convert to smart object. After that, all you need to do is to bring in the image you are using. Here is the image. I'm going to make sure I resize it. Right click the image layer and then click on create clipping mask. By clicking on that create clipping mask, the image is already embedded into the text. We have some little adjustment to do. So choose the text layer and then right click and then go to blending option. Choose the inner shadow, and then we are doing some little adjustment. So I think I'm already having a saved work there, so I'm just going to do some little adjustment. So guys, here is how to create a letter portrait effect using Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this very video, and if you are having any questions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.